Hello there! How are you doing? Are you still lazy, sitting on the sofa and dreaming about the time when you start learning English and English grammar? I'm glad to tell you that we start doing this right now. My name is Julia and these are 1-minute grammar tips with EnLaSer. Let's go! Let me introduce you the king of all English verbs, and this is the verb to be, bути. And I will explain you how it should be used in present simple in English. Have a look at these 3 examples. I am a student, я студент. He is a student, він студент. They are students, вони студенти. In these 3 sentences, we've used 3 different forms of the verb to be in present simple. The main thing you have to memorize about using the verb to be in present simple in the positive form is that it is changed according to the person it is used with. So the forms in present simple of the verb to be are: I am, я є. He, she, it is. Він, вона, воно є. You, we, they. Ти, ви, ми, вони є. One more thing. Am, is and are, the verb to be in different persons, can be shortened. So it has short forms. I am. His, he is. They are. For example, I'm a teacher, я вчитель, you're a student, ви студент. I hope this video was useful. See you the next time. Bye!